Oh, hello there. My name is Skippy. Hello. Hi. I went to Popeye's today. It's true. I went to Popeye's. I totally did. I don't know if you can tell by the bag. I had a coupon. It's true. I as a youth, in my ignorance, I would make fun of my father. And I would say coupon birdies go cheap, cheap, cheap. Not realizing that my father, who is absolutely one of the smartest men I've ever met, he always said to me, money's better in my pocket than somebody else's. And you know what? Them coupons help you get that there. My dad's a smart guy. Love my dad. Love my dad, love my dad, love my dad. Mm. But yeah, I went to Popeye's. I had a coupon for like $8.49, chicken sandwich, side, and drink. Hooray! And I ate the red beans and rice at the restaurant just because I was just the munchies kicked in hard, bro. And I want to say that a lot of the rice was undercooked, but what the fuck ever, dude. Here's the neat thing about food, okay? No matter how good it is, no matter how bad it is, it all turns to shit in the end. There you go. There's your moment of truth for you today, ladies and gentlemen. Now, let's take this hunk of future poop and shove it in my mouth because I'm still hungry. All right, a bag. Bag unbox, some bag of box. I don't know, whatever. It's just. Oh, I gotta tell a story. I went to a Thanksgiving party last night. It's true. My buddy Sid from the Improv. Sid's awesome. He had a party over at his place. It was a lot of fun, and there were girls, and it was fun. There you go, chicken sandwich. Chicken sandwich. Chicken sandwich. All right, well, it's got jizz on it. Jizz and pickles. Now, mind you, I am a fan of Chick-fil-A chicken sandwiches. I myself have not had Popeye's sandwiches. I can't even tell you the last time I had a Popeye's. That coupon was very motivating. But I went to my friend's party last night. I'll tell you a story while I eat this thing. Cheers. I went to my friend's party last night. Tasty. I like it. Continue. Went to my buddy Sid's house last night. I went to a party. A lot of improv comics there. Not like they do improv, but they're from the improv, the comedy club. So, my buddy Rocky was there. I haven't seen Rocky in forever. First thing I said to Rocky, dude, I hate your fucking wife. I fucking hate your wife, bro. I was going off on him like, I fucking hate your wife. I do. I fucking hate his wife. That fucking bitch. Let me tell you, this is why I can't stick my neck out for nobody anymore. You know? This is really tasty, by the way. Like the chicken is nice and tender and moist. The mayonnaise and the pickle make like a makeshift tartar sauce flavor. The bun is spongy, and like I said, I bet you in 24 hours from now, this will look completely different. So let's continue. So, this is what I said before. Sometimes when you stick your neck out for motherfuckers, you stick your neck out, they're gonna put you in a guillotine. It sucks. I know. I'm the headless fucking Skippy. But, so, my buddy Rocky, who I love, he's my buddy. His fucking wife, he texted me, he's like, hey man, can you get my wife a job? I was working at an extraction laboratory downtown. Then, so I got him. Let's flash, okay? I just get her the damn job, okay? From the moment I got her the damn job, all she did was try to get me fired. Like, if she were a fruit, she'd be a cantaloupe, dude. I fucking hate this bitch. Okay. And here's another thing, too. Here's another reason why I don't stick my neck out for motherfuckers anymore. Okay? I got this one pal, always begging me, get him a new job. Get him a new job. I got him a job already that he got fired from because all he did at that job was smoke fucking weed. And I hate it when I bring a dumb motherfucker on and all they do is make me look like a fucking asshole. Yeah, fuck you guys. You know who you are, not the audience, you don't know. But, yeah, so let's get back to Rocky's cunt of a wife that I fucking hate. This fucking bitch, right? Okay, if you're doing marijuana extraction, you're using hundreds of gallons of butane, liquid butane. Butane is combustible, highly explosive. This bitch blew up the laboratory 3 times. And you know what? Here's the thing too. I never blew up the laboratory once. Always follow safety protocols. Last thing I want is to hurt myself or anybody else. But this bitch, first time she did it, I had to clean it up. Yeah, thanks a lot, cunt. I got pictures of that disaster too. It's fucking awful. I was scrubbing fucking walls for days, bitch. The next time she blew up the lab, she did it in the middle of the night. It knocked the door off the hinges. It pushed the walls out 2 inches on every side. How she survived, I'll never figure out. Like, for real. Like, she should have blew up. And yeah. Why? The guy I was working for, like, you blow up my lab, you're fucking fired. But nope. This ass clown kept her on. My old boss kept her on, and guess what happened? Blew the place up again. And then, when the landlord came around asking questions, she threw the owner of the company under the bus and pretty much destroyed the company. Yep. That cunt knows how to cunt. Fuck her. It just felt so good to tell my buddy Rocky, I fucking hate your wife. I fucking hate your wife, bro. It felt so good to say. I don't hate people. I normally don't, but you give me a reason? Grudge on, bitch. Yeah, I can't wait to see her again. Just rub it in her face. Like, hey, what's up, little cunty face? How you doing? Hey. God, I was going off on her last night. I was making fun of her so hard. She's so ugly, too. She's like a little squat bitch. Like, you know how, like, girls do dumb shit and they, like, get tattoos of freckles on their face? Like, it's stupid when cute girls do it. It's retarded when ugly bitches do it. And this ugly bitch did it. And she looked like Howdy fucking Doody with a weight problem. She's so gross. Ugh. Yeah, it felt good to just fucking dude. I mean, he's finally getting a divorce from her, so he was agreeing with me. So that was good. But yeah, I had to let him know. Like, even if he wasn't getting divorced, I was still gonna tell him his wife's a cunt. Because she is. She fucking ruined my vacation. Fucking bitch. Anyhow, that chicken sandwich was quite delightful. I liked it. It was delicious. And yeah, I got a coupon for it. I had a coupon. $8.49 for a chicken sandwich combo. Came out to 9 something. Yeah, good deal. I'll probably do that again. I got more coupons. I'm a coupon birdie. I'm cheap, cheap, cheap. Like father, like son. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Hope your Black Friday is stupid capitalist holiday. Fuck it, whatever. All right, whatever. I don't know. I'm not into buying stuff. It's not my thing. Even though I just bought dinner, but you have to. It's America. Capitalism. Anyway, you guys have a great night. Bye.